welcome back to another video. Sorry, I'll be back. So I'm back, and today I'm going to be comparing my two slimes, which is these two slimes. Show you that the camera is like this. I'll fix it so you guys can see my face. Not really. And the slime. So I'm going to be comparing these two. I got some lotion over there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Got some lotion. Let me look at it. I got some lotion on hand in case I want to make it smell really nice, and in case they were like really unstretchy. So this is the first look of the fruit slime. Oh. So sorry that my eyes are good looking in that direction. My mom just gave me sign language because I'm recording video. Okay, so oh no. I tried adding lotion in this when I did a video about all my slimes, but like that did not help. It's just like naturally whippy. Whoa. Well, I guess when I bought this slime, like when I opened it, the top was like really dried out. I just mixed it and I didn't like take it out because there was no option to take it out because there wasn't like the peeling edge or anything. So I'm gonna stretch it really slow to see if that helps. Nope, that doesn't help. Really slow. Nope, that doesn't help. Okay, so for each of my slimes, I'm gonna be playing with them and talking about them for a solid 2 minutes because I know why. Oh my god, guys, this is so whippy. So I'm gonna put it away since it's almost 2 minutes. Yep, it's 2 minutes now, so next line. Kitty. First, look, there's a bubble. Oh, I poked a bubble. Okay. Did you hear that? That was so miss. Guys, comment down below. Should I leave it clear for the giveaway? Because I'm giving it away, this slime away. If you haven't seen the video, all of my slimes, and then you better check that out because it's saying that I'm gonna be giving away a slime. I'm only gonna be choosing one person in the comments that comments hashtag I want it. One person for the comments. So if you want a chance to win, just comment hashtag I want it. Okay, I would really want to keep this slime. I'm gonna get another one, I think next week or something. But I guess I gotta say bye-bye to you, Kitty. Kitty, how do you have to react to that? Honestly, I don't want to leave you. I know you don't. But you got to. Sorry about that whole thing. Guys, comment down below, should I do skits? Because I'm gonna start to do skits. So slime. Oh, never mind. Slime. Dude, when I just do really fast, it just like rips. Like if I go slow, and it does not rip. Oops, I spent a minute. So far, I spent a minute playing with this slime, so that means I gotta pack up now. Please, wait, please make me have time to pick up the rest slimes. Okay, next is these slimes. Mint. Close up of Mint. She got beads in her. And close up of Sunshine. I've changed her name from Cake Batter to Sunshine because it's too long. So Sunshine. Here's a close up of her, and she has beads in her too. So first one I'm gonna check out is Mint because she's overflowing. Because there's a lot of her in here. Look at this, guys. Ooh. Oh, that looks so delicious, honestly. Guys, look at this. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that looks so creamy. Ooh, that looks so good. Guys, this is making me hungry. Okay. Sorry that I'm just wearing tights and like a bra. Like I wear this when I'm like hot. And I cannot put on my fan because there's no way to put my camera on my bed, and the fan only like goes in my recording area. The fan doesn't get me because I'm on the floor. If I go on the bed, then slime might go on the bed, and that'll be very bad. Okay, so I have 1 more minute to talk about mint. So mint is a very loose slime. Look at her. As you squeeze her, you see the squeeze marks, and then she just goes down. To show that the slime is really thick, when you like leave it in your hands for a little bit, it starts to stick to you. And it has a lot of bubbles even before you do this. And it has very loud clicky sounds, and yeah. I'm trying to hurry up before it says no. I got a second left. Oh no. Yep, I only had a second left and it wasn't long enough. Bye, mints. One more look at mints. Okay. Guys, after this video I'm gonna be doing a skit. Did you guys hear that? Oh. This one smells like I don't know, honestly. I don't know. And after that video, I'm gonna be doing another skit where I pretend that I got a slime package and that I got scammed. Did you see that? Like 4 beads just flew out at the same time. Okay, just put it back in. The beads don't come out from mint. I don't know why. They don't come out from her anymore. They used to, but not anymore. Dude, all the beads from Sunshine is just coming out. And Sunshine is becoming a bit less stitchy. Sunshine was so thick. Sunshine. So I'm gonna add some scent to Sunshine. Oh no! I put so much. Look at this. Okay. I'm gonna just mix it in. I don't care. Well, I actually do care. Like, guys. At least Sunshine will be very thick like mint. Guys, when I get a lot of slimes, then I might give away Sunshine and mint and just like replace them with another slime. It's starting to stick to me. I don't know if that's a bad slime. Okay. So guys, this is one more look at the slime. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So as I was saying, this is the last look at her. I hope. Wait, I think the 2 minutes passed. I'll just give it extra 1 minute because I had to pause the video. This video might be posted a little bit late because I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing, and I do have my own daily routine. I just like watch lots of YouTube videos. Okay, so that was it for the video, guys. Hopefully the thumbnail is me doing, because that looks really cute in my opinion. I know it might not look that good to you guys. So yeah guys. Okay, so yeah. As always, peace out my dudes. Make sure you comment down below hashtag I want it if you want to get this slime. Where is it? Oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. So anyway, bye. Love you.